Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Holmstrom, and this is a Makerspace tutorial, kind of an update on how to make sure that you are able to find the video to help you solve puzzles in code.org. All those videos can be found on the Google Classroom. And the most important thing is, and we've discussed this in class, is that you know which puzzle you're on and which lesson you're on. So up here, you'll notice that all of these bubbles, whatever number you see up here, whether it's 2 or it's 3 or it's 4, those are your puzzle numbers. Okay, so that's very important to remember. These are puzzle numbers up here. Now, over here in the white, this is your lesson number. So no matter what puzzle number I change to, 9 or 14 or whatever puzzle number I choose, the lesson number stays the same because it is all going to be the harvester in this lesson. Now, if I wanted to choose a different lesson, I could come down here and this would be lesson 6. This would be Scrat. So again, up here would be your lesson number in white, and over here would be your puzzle number. Now, going back to lesson 5, because I want to focus on that for a moment. I was on puzzle 2. So puzzle 2, lesson 5. If I were, let's say I didn't have my code, and if I had the wrong code in here, for example, if I run this program, the harvester will not get to the corn like she needs to. How could I get some help? Well, I would go to the Google Classroom, and here's how. First, you go up to your tab. Hopefully you have a Google Classroom opened up there. If not, you're going to have to open up a Google Classroom tab. You will go to Classwork. You will scroll down under code.org lessons. If you keep scrolling, you hit this part that says code.org puzzle solutions. Now, you'll see a whole bunch of lesson options. Each number is the number of the lesson that you could be doing. 4, 5, all the way down through 10. Now, if we go back to remind ourselves, we were on lesson 5. So you would click down here on lesson 5. Now, there's going to be a whole bunch of videos that pop up, so we have to know which video to pick. They are all based, all of these say lesson 5 on the end here. But it's the puzzle number that we now have to pay attention to. What puzzle number were we on? We were on puzzle 2. So we would go back to our Google Classroom and find puzzle 2 and click on that, and we would watch it. Hi, this is Mr. Holmstrom, and this is number 2. So now that we've seen how to do it, we know that we need the 3 East blocks and we need the pick at the end. So we would go back to our code.org. We would take out our bad code, our bugs, reset. Just like in the video, we would bring in 3 East blocks, our pick, and we would run. And hopefully that helps you know how to go from the code.org website over to Google Classroom to get your video, and then back to code.org to finish off your puzzle. Remember, you must know your puzzle number and you must know your lesson number. Good luck.